Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Groner, and today we're here to learn another letter sound. Today's letter is the letter H. H says, what I do when I make the sound of H is I open my mouth, I kind of breathe really hard out of my mouth, and I keep my tongue down. Try it with me. When I make that sound, a lot of air comes out of my mouth. Let's do it again. Notice how my mouth opens up a bit when I say that, and it's open the whole time. I never shut my mouth all the way when I make that sound. My tongue is down. Great. Let's go ahead and practice making the shape of the letter H. Ready? Start at the top. A straight line down, up, and a hump. The sound of H is Let's do that again. As big as you can this time in the air. Start at the top, a straight line down, lift, and a hump. The sound of H is Great. Now let's go ahead and make that letter shape on our arm. Start at the top, straight line down, up, and a hump. The sound of H is Let's do that one more time. Start at the top, straight line down, up, and a hump. The sound of H is What's the sound of H? Sound of H is Excellent. Thanks for practicing with me again, and I'm so happy you're learning all of your letter sounds. I hope to see you again very soon.